Before you spend your money on this Amazon product, here's the honest breakdown you actually need. Imagine transforming any small room into a massive home theater or a competitive gaming arena, even with the lights on, not just in pitch darkness. The Optoma GT2100HDR promises an enormous, vibrant picture from mere inches away, day or night, thanks to its powerful laser engine and advanced short-throw lens. But does this compact, feature-packed projector truly deliver on such bold claims for both cinematic immersion and lightning-fast gaming? Let's find out. Alright, let's peel back the curtain on the Optoma GT2100HDR. This isn't merely another projector, it's a sophisticated, compact, and incredibly powerful short-throw laser projector, meticulously engineered by Optoma, a brand with a stellar reputation for pushing the boundaries of projection technology. Its core mission is to solve those pervasive big-screen entertainment dilemmas, eliminating the need for vast, dedicated spaces, conquering the challenge of ambient room lighting, and simplifying what can often be a complex installation process. Boasting a crisp native 1080p Full HD resolution, it also cleverly accepts and processes vivid 4K HDR input, guaranteeing stunning detail and incredibly rich, lifelike colors from all your modern content. It's truly purpose-built for both breathtaking cinematic immersion and razor-sharp, ultra-responsive gaming sessions. Let's really delve into the innovative features that propel the Optoma GT2100HDR into a league of its own, and critically, how each of these translates into tangible, real-world benefits for you, the discerning buyer. First, the truly revolutionary short-throw lens is an absolute game-changer, fundamentally altering how you integrate a big screen into your life. Forget the days of needing a cavernous room or wrestling with complex ceiling mounts far from your screen. This ingenious technology enables the GT2100HDR to project an enormous, breathtaking 100-inch image from an astonishingly close distance, often just a mere foot or two from your wall or dedicated screen. This immediately resolves a myriad of practical issues. No more annoying shadows cast by people walking in front of the projection, no need to clear vast swathes of space, and unmatched flexibility for setup, making it absolutely perfect for smaller living rooms, cozy apartments, or even compact dorm rooms where every inch of space is incredibly precious. It radically simplifies and liberates your entertainment setup, making it an incredibly versatile piece of tech for almost any room configuration. Next up, prepare to be amazed by its sheer blazing brightness of 4,200 lumens. The link in the description is an affiliate link, use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.